Hey guys, it's Lindsey. I'm the creative coordinator for Bisque Imports, and today we have our cool 70s Toker project. So this is a fun one, really easy for your customers to create, has the whole vintage color scheme and pattern, and is really fun and easy to accomplish. So here we go, let's get started. All right guys, so this is it. All the colors come out really bright. Make sure to clear glaze in there. This whole thing needs to be dipped in clear glaze in order to make it food safe and safe to use if you're in a legalized area. All right, thank you guys for watching, and be sure to check out bisqueimports.com for a bunch of amazing products, and I'll see you next time.